Yiwu Zhenao, a leading player in the outdoor lighting industry, was founded in 2020 with a mission to provide innovative, professional, and cost-effective portable lighting solutions. Over the past few years, the company has established a strong presence both domestically and internationally, with its products being exported to numerous countries and receiving widespread acclaim from customers. Headquartered in Yiwu, China, Yiwu Zhenao's state-of-the-art factory spans an impressive 6 floors, each covering an area of 1,000 square meters. The company's commitment to excellence is evident in its investment in the latest production equipment and a comprehensive assembly line, ensuring the seamless and continuous update of its product offerings. At the heart of Yiwu Zhenao's success is its dedicated R&D team, comprising 10 highly skilled professionals who are constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation. Their unwavering dedication has resulted in the development of a diverse range of interesting, professional, and affordable portable lighting solutions that cater to the diverse needs of customers worldwide. In addition to its own product line, Yiwu Zhenao also offers OEM and ODM services, catering to the unique requirements of clients from all corners of the globe. The company's open-door policy encourages customers to visit its state-of-the-art facilities at any time, providing them with the opportunity to witness firsthand the meticulous attention to detail and commitment to quality that underpins every aspect of Yiwu Zhenao's operations. As Yiwu Zhenao continues to grow and expand its reach, the company remains steadfast in its dedication to delivering exceptional products and unparalleled customer service. With a strong foundation in the industry and a relentless pursuit of innovation, Yiwu Zhenao is poised to cement its position as a leading player in the outdoor lighting market, both now and in the years to come.